Managers often think employees disengage because they are lazy. Nothing can be further from the truth. It's not bad leadership. It's not even tough leadership. It's silence. And this is the worst for the people. So there is no feedback, no recognition, no acknowledgement of effort, no direction. And people ask themselves, so does it matter what I'm doing? Am I doing a good job? What is going on? So they become very uncertain. And I can remember when I first moved to Canada and I worked at Magna, I became disengaged when my coworkers didn't trust in my abilities. Now I was second language speaker. And so they gave me a lot of mindless jobs. I had to file and I had to copy. And I kept asking myself, does nobody notice that I'm capable of so much more? Now, Adrian, what about you? Have you ever felt disengaged in one of your corporate jobs and what happened?
Well, Karin, I certainly have. I became disengaged when I did the work, but then nobody noticed.
Mhm,
There was no recognition, no acknowledgement whatsoever. And after a while, I didn't try that hard anymore. And
mhm,
eventually, I stopped trying altogether. And I don't believe that people get disengaged because they're lazy. Not even
mhm,
close. They get disengaged because they feel unseen, unheard, unappreciated, undervalued, and so on. So, in a nutshell, not lazy, simply ignored.
mhm. Yeah, that's what I believe. Leadership, like silence in leadership, is the worst. And I think managers don't do this intentional, of course. It's a technical profession and communication is not always strong. So people often hear when they don't do things well. So, and it's really challenging once people become disengaged, and it's important to get them back on track. Now, this was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.